Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set voiceover on the band application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and you can find the second section, the settings. Scroll down and here you can find the voiceover button, actually you can enable the exercise names option. If you want to enable that, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can hear the voiceover when you make the things. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.